So recently I've been going through my hard drives looking for videos that I haven't edited, and I've actually been finding a ton of footage that I just never got around to editing for some weird reason. I'm usually pretty good at that, but looking back at it, I'm starting to doubt like I've missed a lot. So that's what you're seeing right now. I do have a ton of other videos unlisted that I'm planning to release. I might just release them because like whatever. A bunch of people are gonna get mad at me, but yeah, I don't even care anymore. Like anyway, so yeah, that's what you're seeing right now. There's just like a bunch of old footage I found. So yeah, enjoy. Just fucking open it. Chester, stop running! I doubt it was a snitch. I mean, I doubt it. You got that all in
One it is.
Where are you guys going?
One.
No, I meant after we get off the elevator.
That's the city.
Oh, you're not going to the game? Or?
Nah.
Oh, wait, what game?
What, Kenwood? Oh, I forgot about Celtics, that. Oh,
Both doors.